Everyone. Hello, good afternoon. Let's take today live because I was not feeling well. I sleep early tonight. Hello to my two viewers. Holding the she watched my live yesterday that I am making laundry at the river now. The clothes are dry. So, what lagi ka na? Nawala mo ka. Ako nakatulog mo ko labag kaya kong ulo. Kaya itong lugay kay kaon. Huwag baka sa baka. Karon ko man naglabad ako. Or nabugat ba kung naglaba. Dagang akong laban.
Ito?
Nabugat o laba. Hapon. Sumayaw. Tabali at kuno atong kalmosiptib nila ma.
Nasa?
Ang tambal ni Hidin Bas.
Ano ni?
Hidin. Mga itilogan gabi eh.
Ito?
Hidin. Kapag itambal siyang pilas.
Ano yun?
Kung ditambal mo po to sa katul-katul ni Kuan. Anak ni Jana. Wala. Ah, ito. Yes, yes.
Kasi, ano?
Yesterday, you saw my live that I'm washing clothes. Now my clothes are dry. Hello, hello. Please subscribe to my channel. Guys. Sa asat eh. Unsa yang kwaon te? Tianggeng? Unsa yang tanaw kwaon? Oh? Ah. Yeah, I have. Yes. I have my white arm. Get a job. Where? I will apply to you to get a job. A job for a laundry girl. Hello there. I'm fine. I'm just here in YouTube. This YouTube is one of my job. Netherlands. Hello, Rehanna Mehan. Are you girl or boy? From Netherlands. Shout out to you. Please subscribe to my channel also to help to my channel grow. Like done. Thank you, Gis Galsar. The green. Folding the dry clothes. Hello to already subscribed. Thank you. Hi from California, love. Hello, George Alex. Thank you. My country, India. Okay. I'm here. I'm sitting on the floor. I'm sitting on the floor because I'm folding the dry clothes I wash. Yes,